We have a number of collaborations with sports teams, national governing bodies that allow our students to gain applied experiences. So they get a really good insight into how elite athletes train in this kind of environment. So we have British Judo based here on campus. We also have a partnership with a newly established Super League netball franchise, Birmingham Panthers, professional football teams such as Wolverhampton Wanderers Football Club, and we have students placed with the strength and conditioning practitioners, so they get to be in here multiple times a week and seeing and supporting the strength and conditioning training, allowing students to get some really great applied experiences.
So clinical exercise physiology is the new exciting profession coming out in exercise sciences, and it's there involved with looking at primary and secondary interventions to help and prevent chronic diseases, from obesity, from diabetes to heart attacks, and we look at how we can train students up to be able to work with the medical profession to actually provide good interventions to help them in their recovery, but also to look at public health interventions to prevent these people getting ill in the first place.
I chose to come to Wolverhampton because of the connections to Birmingham Royal Ballet and Elmhurst Ballet, and I've been able to go there and learn how strength and conditioning is coming into the world of dance. Instead of just being able to look at a piece of paper, read about it, you're actually getting into the classroom and being able to physically put that knowledge to practice. That is a real bonus of this university, and it's better here than I've ever experienced anywhere else before.
Being around this kind of gym environment and coming to this environment here, I think it's like top class facilities, and along with the joint programme with Wolves Football Club, it's a really good opportunity to gain that experience alongside it and kind of tie in my practical knowledge that I'm gaining from the modules at university with my experience at Wolves.
The university has supported me finding placements in line with my interests. They've really just guided me along a path where I can network with top-level individuals in the field of strength conditioning. It opened up so many doors to work with high-level organisations, shadow at places like elite cricket, obviously working to elite netball. Being around elite athletes is where I want to be, and the university's done a great job in guiding me towards my goals.
At the very start of the course, they've brought in a lot of people who work already in the industry, so whether that's from any football club, grassroots, sort of academy level, and we got introduced to everyone. And then I did my placement through Birmingham City Women's Academy, working with the under 10s and 11s. So that was all from their connection that they made.
One of the main advantages, again, it sort of goes back to the university's sort of main motto of the University of Opportunity. That is really one of the main advantages you'll get here. The lecturers, the staff will always be pushing you to get better and better grades. They'll put you out of your comfort zone, and they'll also open up doors to be able to take part in sort of extracurricular activities, whether that be going out and helping with field testing, taking part in research projects, learning those fundamental skills as a researcher and practitioner.